Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what I believe is the best oil-filled radiator heater portable, the Amazon Basics Portable Oil Radiator Heater. If you're in the market for a reliable, quiet, and energy-efficient indoor heater, stick around because this compact powerhouse might just be the one for you. Let's start with what makes this heater stand out. The Amazon Basics Oil Radiator Heater comes equipped with 7 oil-filled steel fins. These aren't just for show. They provide consistent and long-lasting radiant heat that continues to warm your space even after the unit is turned off. This means it uses energy efficiently and keeps your room toasty for longer, heating spaces up to 144 square feet. This unit features 3 heat settings: high at 1500 watts, medium at 1000 watts, and low at 600 watts. That level of customization allows you to tailor the temperature exactly to your comfort level, whether you're in a chilly office or a cozy bedroom. One of the most appreciated features is how silent this heater is. Unlike forced air heaters that hum or buzz, this oil radiator works without a fan, delivering near-silent operation. It's perfect for environments where peace and quiet matter, like reading nooks, bedrooms, or home offices. Safety is another area where this heater really delivers. It's ETL certified and includes both tip-over and overheat protection. If it gets too hot or accidentally gets knocked over, it shuts off automatically, giving you peace of mind, especially in households with kids or pets. In terms of design, it's pretty sleek. The heater comes in black with a slim, vertical profile that fits easily into small corners or under desks. It's not just about looks either, its compact size makes it easy to move. With smooth gliding caster wheels and a built-in handle, relocating this heater from room to room is simple and hassle-free. We should also talk about compatibility. This unit is rated at 120 volts, so if you're outside the US, you'll likely need a voltage converter. For US-based users, it's plug and play right out of the box. That can push the overall price quite a bit higher, so factor that into your buying decision. But if you're in the US, this heater offers tremendous value. It's ideal for people who want a quiet, energy-efficient heating solution without compromising on safety or design. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a durable, safe, and quiet heating solution that's also portable and stylish, the Amazon Basics Portable Oil Radiator Heater checks all the boxes. It's versatile, reliable, and perfect for smaller indoor spaces. Whether you're warming up your home office or creating a cozy corner in your bedroom, this heater gets the job done. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. If there's another product you'd like us to review next, stay warm and see you in the next video.